Self-publishing in 2026 will be bigger than ever. More authors than ever are making a full-time living from their books without publishers, traditional agents, or even big marketing budgets. But if you're a beginner, it can feel overwhelming. Where do you even start? Which tools do you use? And what actually works in 2026 compared to just a few years ago? In this video, I'm going to give you the ultimate beginner's guide to self-publishing in 2026. By the end, you'll know exactly how to go from a blank page to a published book that can make sales on autopilot. Sounds good? Let's dive right in. Part 1. Why 2026 is the best time ever. Before we dive into the step-by-step process, let's talk about why 2026 is the perfect year to start. AI tools have been making rapid advancements, and now they are smarter than ever. They can generate book ideas, full outlines, or even polished manuscripts within minutes. Cover design has become cinematic and professional, even with free tools like ChatGPT and Canva. And Amazon's global marketplace has expanded, giving you access to readers in an abundance of countries. The barriers are gone. You don't need followers, you don't need a publisher, and you don't need to spend thousands of dollars. You just need a system, and that's what I'm going to walk you through today. So step 1, finding your idea. Every book starts with an idea, but not just any idea. You need one that people are actively searching for. In 2026, you can use AI tools like ChatGPT to brainstorm book topics and then verify demand directly on Amazon. Type in your keyword and see what autofills. Check the bestsellers list in your niche. Take a look at what's hot right now. The sweet spot is a book idea that excites you but has proven demand. Once you've got that, you're ready for the next step. Step 2. Outlining and drafting with AI. This is where AI shines. Instead of staring at a blank page, you can ask ChatGPT to generate a complete book outline, chapters and sections included. From there, you can feed each section back into the AI one at a time and let it draft your manuscript. The key is guiding the AI with clear prompts so that the content comes out structured, useful, and most importantly, natural. And don't worry, you don't just take what it gives you and publish it. You polish it, you edit it, you put your own voice into it. But AI speeds up this process by 5x compared to traditional writing. Now, step 3, editing and polishing. A sloppy book kills your chances of success. That is why editing is so important. In 2026, you can use Grammarly, Quillbot, Pro Writing Aid, or even ChatGPT itself to help you refine your drafts. These tools catch grammar, style, and flow issues instantly. Once that text is polished, you've got a book that reads as well as anything from a traditional publisher. Step 4. Cover design and packaging. Now, let's talk about packaging because people really do judge a book by its cover, especially on Amazon. The good news is you don't need Photoshop skills. With Canva and AI image generators, you can create cinematic Netflix-style covers for free. Combine that with a strong title and a keyword-rich description, and your book will stand out in the crowded marketplace. So finally, that brings me to step 5, publishing and launching. Once your manuscript and cover are ready, it's time to publish. Head to Amazon KDP, upload your files, and choose your format: ebook, paperback, or even hardcover. The launch is all about momentum. Price your ebook affordably, share it with friends and family, and get those first reviews rolling in as soon as possible. Once Amazon sees your book moving, it starts recommending it to other readers. So finally, building long-term success. Here's the final secret. One book is just the beginning. The authors who succeed in self-publishing build catalogs. Each book becomes a doorway to the next. In 2026, you can also expand your reach by translating your books into other languages, as well as creating audiobooks and turning your books into courses and bundles. The opportunities are endless, but it all starts with your first book. And if you want my complete step-by-step system from idea to bestseller, I cover it all inside my publishing course. The link is below. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.